In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Antigravity Agent Manager. By the end, you'll know how to start a conversation with an agent, pick the right settings for your task, and keep track of your work so you can return to it later with confidence. First, open your browser and go to Antigravity. Think of this as your home base for building and interacting with AI agents. If you're asked to sign in, do that, and once you land on the dashboard, you should see your workspace with navigation options. Give the page a moment to load fully so all the tools appear. A quick refresh can help if something seems missing. Next, open the Agent Manager. This is where you create, organize, and run your agent conversations. You'll use it anytime you want to kick off a task, hand an agent some context, or compare settings. If you don't spot it immediately, look for an option labeled Agent Manager in the main navigation or along the top toolbar. Now, start a fresh session by selecting New Conversation. This clears any previous context and ensures the agent focuses only on the goal you're about to set. It's a clean slate that's perfect for testing ideas or beginning a brand new workflow without inherited instructions. You'll be asked to choose between planning and fast. Planning mode spends more time thinking through the task, which is great for multi-step reasoning, complex research, or anything that benefits from a structured approach. Fast mode prioritizes speed, giving you quick answers when you just need a concise response or want to iterate rapidly. If you're unsure, start with fast and switch to planning when you need deeper analysis. Next, choose the model and type your prompt. Selecting the model tailors the agent's strengths to your needs. Some models excel at reasoning and structure, others at creativity or brevity. In your prompt, be clear about your objective, any constraints like word count or tone, and the format you want back. For example, you might write, summarize these notes into 3 actionable next steps with brief explanations. The more specific you are, the better the agent can respond. When you're ready, click Submit or press Enter. Watch the response come in and build on it right in the same thread. If the answer isn't quite right, refine your prompt by clarifying the goal, adding context, or asking for a different format. Small, specific adjustments usually produce big improvements. Finally, open conversation history to review your past threads. This is your audit trail and knowledge hub. You can revisit earlier work, compare approaches, and continue where you left off without losing context. It's especially helpful for recurring tasks or when you want to replicate a successful setup. That's it. You've used the Google Antigravity Agent Manager from start to finish.